is up, guys? We're back from the video, and today we're playing Teardown. Yeah, there you go. Now you guys can see it. I need to put it in windowed so that I can start the recording. There. So now you guys should be able to see. Okay, and now, well, I can get started with a, thing. I'm gonna cut that all out. What is up, guys? We're back in the review, and today we're playing Teardown. As you can see, I played a little bit, but it was just here. I didn't do any of these. So this was my first one. I don't know how I got that. Okay. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening. My name is Gordon. Okay, I don't care. Oh. Play mission. My first time playing Teardown. I just got it. Escape. Okay. What do I need to do? Okay, I broke the wall. And I don't need to open the door. Let me in, thank you. We're a good chair. No light. What's up there that I need? Okay. Oh, you want me to break the house? Boom! Moat. Throw that up there. Boom. Now what? Did I do it? What? Primary targets. Old house. Demolish this Fort Gordon Woo. Oh, okay. Cut. You know what? No, I'm gonna leave it in. Yep, just frick. That's gonna have to go. Okay, well, yeah, now I'm gonna cut it. Go, my friend. You don't need to be holding on. There. The entire house is relying on this wall right here. I'm just taking stuff to the face. Okay, yeah, no. I'm not cutting any of this out. This is a fun game. Yep. Boom. What? There we go. Now we out. Does that count? Is it done? Did I do it? No. It's not done. My game is going to be really laggy after this. Smack, 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 smack. There we go. Hup, hup, hup. And smack. What do you want me to destroy? What do you want me to destroy? I think it's already broken. I think I already broke it. Come on. No. Stop it. Hup. Hup. Like what? Oh no. Help me, please, please. No, no, I'm stuck. No! Yeah, now I'm gonna have to restart the mission. Restart mission. Okay. So I know what these are for now. These are for this. Boom! Boom! Maybe I should take it down from the bottom so that it all falls. Didn't even blow that up. Okay, goodbye. Okay, died to that. Restart mission. Hup, hup, hup. Okay, and then make sure I don't hit anything. Boom. 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 Okay, this one can't be wasted. Boom. One last one for safety measures. Boom! Perfect. Think, yeah. That's off. Now, time to go all the way around, just smacking it, and then the house is destroyed. And boom. What? It's floating. Oh, staircase. There we go. And Gordon Wu's house is destroyed. I'm just killing it piece by piece. I'm gonna break off the that thing first so that that's not giving me trouble. Oh. Okay. There we go. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Now that that's off, I just need to break the wall. This is already done. go. Okay, there we go. And so that entire floor is broken. I think it's broken. The entire house is broken. Hello. Oh, so I needed the top of the roof to hit the ground. Okay, just make a hole straight through it and then it'll all fall down at once. This part's still attached. And goodbye. There we go. There we go. Mission accomplished. Look at that. I'm going to basically cut most of that out. But I'm not. Because, you know, it was fun. Yeah, I'm going to cut that out. Well, I did it. Yay. Hopefully I got a new thingamabob. Nope. Keep clear. Okay. New missions. Okay. Pariza. Who's Pariza? Okay. Mission. Hopefully I could steal some stuff this time. Okay, so where am I at Joseph's? One here. One here. And one here. So I'm probably gonna start here. Run this way. Get that. And run and get that. FBI, open up. Get out of here. I watched a little bit of Teardown on YouTube. Oh, well that's not that hard. Doesn't give you a timer or anything. Where am I going? Open your. Open your. You suck. This is basically just like Hitman, but Teardown, you know? Ha, you didn't think the robber would come in from here, eh? Yeah, open up! Okay, and then that one. Why is the door always locked? Yeah. Where is that hand? Fall on my face, my friend. Oh, right there. And hello. Run, 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 run. Is there a sprint mechanic in this game? No. Bye. Mission accomplished. Continue. I am so good. Oh, when am I gonna get my new weapon? Oh, treadmill! I love treadmills. My best friend. I gotta go for my morning jog. Done. And you know what? Yeah. No, no, no. Yeah. No. Get through the window. What treadmill? If you guys watch a YouTuber, you may know what this reference is of. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing as him. I'm not gonna tell you who, because yeah. Investigation. Okay. Play mission. Okay, we're gonna do 3 missions in this video and end it. You guys thought you could lock me in. No, sir, you do. Excuse me. Please, please, please. There we go. Okay, where is it? You. Up there. Wait, what? Okay. You're in there, hey, bud? You won't let me in. There's something in here I need to grab. Nope. Where's the door in here? Let me in. Nope. Nope. No. Stupid building. I see. Nothing in this building. But run across. And I'm in. Ooh, bean shooting. Oh no. Excuse me? Don't close the door on a man like me. Nope. Don't close the door on a man like me. Yep. Boom. You better not close it down. Get over there. I'm not even focusing on a mission right now. I'm literally kind of just blowing things up. Have a nice day. Okay. One here and one here. So I'm gonna start here, run across, get here. Oh yeah, that's a better route. You basically always want to start with the farthest one. Don't tell me I have to restart the mission. Oh no, there's stairs over here. I can't wait to explore those. There's a whole other island on this place. How would I get over to this part? Oh, around here. Okay. I am for sure blowing these up. Ha! Oh, one.
Anybody? Hey. Hey. You gotta get off now. You only have 10 minutes to make your lunch and a shower. Oh my god, I'm doing that. Can you put on the show? Alexa, turn on the remote.
And back, and it stops.
Show? Okay. I don't know.
Mom, do I need to go do it?
No, I keep forgetting, Felix.
It's fine. Sorry about that. I was just talking about tomorrow going to school. So how would I get in there? Right here. That's not too hard. I'm blowing those two up then. I found something to blow it up with. But first, okay. I'm gonna grab one of those, throw it at that, explode. Or no, grab that, go out, come through here. Boom. So, oh, quick save. Run. Where did I come out? Whatever. I don't have much time. Oh my god. I don't have time to waste. Yeah, no possible way. Quick load. Okay, go. That way. I'm so fast. Yep. Up there. Wait, what? Where? Where is that one? Right there. Quick hold. Go. So much quicker. Oh, yeah, sorry, I need to go in here. Fast as frick. I can go this way. Run, run. Oh, I broke the bridge. I'm gonna have to restart the entire level. Restart mission. Yeah. So once in this building, I need to go across. The bridge that I broke. Okay. Hip, hip. Break that just in case. And wait. Save. Hip. And I'm out. Shoop. Let's go break the window. Yep. Open the door. Through here. And I am fast. Where? I need. Where is the exit? Right there. Okay, next time I need to go that way. No. Quick look. I need something. Like a box. I'm gonna bring this with me. All the way. Oh, I'm in the box. I can't see anything. Where am I going? Exit. Okay, right there. Up. Right here. So now I could just up and then over the fence. Unbreakable fence. Not fair. This way. Okay. Oh, whoa, that messed me up. Excuse me. Where am I? Oh, it did mess me up. But now I can quick save. Quick save. Yep. Go run out of here. Engineer. Up. Open the door. So fast. Here. I messed that up. I messed it up. Yep, I messed it up. I'm gonna quick load. Get wrecked. Run. forgot to grab that. Oop. Oh, I could have got it. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Quick load. Okay, so no. Oh my god. Yep. Oh, that's not good. Whatever. Fixes the time. Boom! And I'm going. I'm out of here. Hup. See ya. Let's go. I did it. I'm happy. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna load in here. Yes. A flame torch. Just not go through that. Can I go in here? Tools. Glow torch. Okay, I'm gonna save all of my money up for the whenever I get something else that's really cool. You're not allowed to go upwards. No more. What? Huh? How? What? It's all dead. Fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher saves the day. I have the power. Excuse me, what is this? Well, yeah. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Just a little scratch. And I will see you in the... Yeah, that's right. I need to do that again. Display settings are only... Okay. Well, then I'm going to have to go in the menu. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Not gonna need that no more.